Hey spooky cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a new subscription that I have, and embarrassingly I have had this subscription for quite a while. It's been sat at the side of my desk and every single weekend I say I'm gonna film that, and this is a new subscription for me and I haven't even looked in the box yet. I've decided that I was gonna wait so we could look at it together. It's been so long. I've been avoiding spoilers on Instagram, spoilers on other people's reviews on YouTube, and I promised myself I wouldn't look. Well, we're here, we're gonna look, because I'm pretty sure my next box is on the way. It's been sat here that long. Today we are unboxing a subscription from the Gothic Stationery Company. I'm 99.9% sure this is October's box. I haven't had anything from November, so we're just gonna see what's in this, and then I will retro tag over the box that I think it is, because like I say, it's been sat here that long. I opened this and had a quick look, and 100% gonna film for this, and yeah, I needed to do this before the 2nd of November. Halloween came and went, and don't ask me what happened, but here we are. And so I'm already in love with the fact that they give you a little content and they give you a little thank you card. Now, this says Satan's Workshop, so they're obviously gearing up for Christmas, and I love that. So we're not going to look in this yet. We're going to put that to one side and we're going to find out what's in this box. Now, this is my first look at it too. Oh my goodness. Now, I love stationery, so when I found that there was a subscription box for stationery, tick, Gothic, tick, I was so excited. So I got myself, I believe I have the big subscription box, whatever their highest tier of subscription is, which is $33.99 a month, so it's £30 a month plus $3.99 shipping, and I'm just so excited to get into this box. So let's figure out if this is October's box or November's box. This already feels so luxury. I mean, the silver embossing on here. Love the little fountain pen logo. I mean, I also love a box, so anything that comes in a box that I can reuse, amazing, love it. So let's pop this to one side. So inside we have some nice little tissue paper that says Sinfully Stylish, love that. So I'm already going to say this is definitely October's box because there are pumpkins in this, so let's start from the top. So the first thing we have is this sticker, I believe it is. It says always Halloween, and it absolutely always is Halloween in my world, even when it's Christmas. Ooh yeah, that's a nice little vinyl sticker. So it has cute little pumpkins on it. It's got a shiny finish to it. Love that. That will be going up on a storage box that I have behind me. I put all my stickers on there, so that's going there. The next thing we have is a little card that says Happy Halloween on it. And it also comes with a little orange envelope. It's very cute. This reminds me of the little ghosts from York. If you've seen anybody bang on about the little ghost merchants of York, I haven't got them myself, but very cute. Next thing we have is little postcards. And these say always Halloween, so I can send these out every day of the year. And they're all different. So we have always Halloween, which is the same as the sticker that we got. We have a cute little orange pumpkin, jack-o'-lantern on some grey pumpkins. And we have these 3 little pumpkins who definitely look like they're up to no good. And these are really sort of matte finish, really quite thick actually in terms of a postcard. I love those. I always love having little postcards around because I often receive postcards from friends and stuff that just say, you know, like, thinking of you. So I like to have things like this so that I can send those things back. The next thing we have is a print, which is, I would say, slightly bigger than A5, not quite A4. And that says always Halloween, so the same as our sticker and our postcard. Obviously sticking to this first. This is the cutest little, I think it's a wooden pin badge. And that is the same little ghostie that we had on our postcard, or our card rather. Ooh. Yes, this is a little wooden ghosty pin. Very cute. The next thing, let's go for this little, we have some washi tape, very cute, with little skull and a pumpkin and a little haunted house, little crosses, very cute little washi tape. And, I was going to say the final thing, but this is not the final thing. We have a spiral bound notebook which says trick or treats on it, and it has one of those like sheer covers on it to protect the front. Ooh, this is lovely and matte cardboard, love that. Oh, and it's a plain notebook, so really good for doodling or writing notes. If you're anything like me, I start writing notes here, I write something else here, I write something else here. So I actually quite like having a plain notebook. It means I don't have to follow the lines and get lost. I can kind of draw around my little notes that all make sense to me, or at least they made sense to me today, but tomorrow is a different thing entirely. And we have the same on the back, one of the little protective sheets, and some more little pumpkins. And this says they're recycled covers with 70 pages of cartridge paper made from coffee cups. That's so cool. I love that. And last but finally not least, so we have some little filler in there, but we have a notepad which so we have a cardboard backed notepad, all the same pages, one of those sort of glued at the top that you rip off, and this has a cute little spooky house with some bats going around it and some little jack-o'-lanterns stood by the spooky fence. I love this. I kind of think this bit looks like the outside outline of a skull. Is that just me? Maybe it's subjective. Well, everything's subjective, but that's quite a lot of pages. Love this, and it's nice and matte. It looks like you could probably use most pens on this. Sometimes I find little notepads like this often shiny, so you can't use certain pens or else they smudge as soon as your finger touches them. So love that. And I am just obsessed with this box. This is such a lovely box. Now, I know some people think that's really sad that, you know, but these kind of boxes come in handy. I can store paperwork in them. It's also recyclable, so if you did want to throw it away if boxes are not your thing. But think about it this way, if this box is not your cup of tea, and I'd question why, but if it's not, and if you're the type of person who just wants to keep the contents and get rid of the box, I would highly think about recycling it, as in giving it as a present. If you know somebody else who really loves boxes and would be happy to kind of maybe cover it themselves, if, you know, they don't want the logo on there or just wants things to stack, think about putting a present in this and giving it to someone. A few years ago, my friend, actually quite a few years ago, my friend had a gift set given to her for her birthday, which came in this gorgeous red shiny almost like magnetic closed box, and she took the things out the box and put the box to one side, and I was like, are you gonna throw that away? And she quickly realized what she was doing, said no, and she gave it to me with my birthday present inside it, and I absolutely love that. All about recycling, you know, move it along. If it can't be recycled, can you reuse it? At least then it's had a bit of a better lifespan. So let's have a recap of what we had in the Gothic Stationery's October box. So we've got the notepad, we've got a little sketch pad, or again, just another little notepad made out of recycled coffee cups. Love that. We have the cute little wooden ghosty pin. We have our Always Halloween print. We've got 3 little postcards. We have our Happy Halloween card. We have our Always Halloween sticker. And we also have our little washi tape. So let's now come back to our what's in your box itinerary and see what we actually have. So in here it says we have the vinyl sticker, yes. The greetings card, yes. Washing tape, yes. Postcard set, 3. Maxi wooden pin badge, yes. We have an A5 art print, yes. A monster notepad, a notepad, yes, and a wide-bound notebook, yes. So, sorry, where I was reading the monster and the maxi, that is the tiers of the subscription you get. So if you got the midi, which is the smallest subscription they do, you would have gotten the greeting card, the sticker, the washing tape, and the postcards. If then you went for the next one up, which is called the maxi, you would have also got the pin badge. You would have also got the art print. So in the monster, that's where you would get the notepad and the notebook. So you would get some of this no matter what tier you got. So that is our October Gothic Stationery Company subscription box. Let me know what's your favourite bit. I am a sucker for a pin, so I'm going to say it's either this one or I really like this notepad as well. So let me know which bit was your favourite, and do you have a subscription box? Is it a spooky subscription box? Let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't subscribed, have a think about subscribing. There is a couple more unboxing videos of some past subscription boxes that I have, and more content that is in the works and will be coming soon. that's everything from me today, spooky cuties. I hope you have a wicked day or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one.